So now let's go ahead and set up a paid plan. So the first thing we're going to need to do is, again, head over to our Memberstack dashboard and go to plans. Now let's click add plan and paid plan. Name, again, let's just call it paid. And let's click create plan. Here, we want to add a price. First of all, we need to connect Stripe. So what I'm going to do is click this. It's going to take me over here to connect Stripe. And then it is going to tell me here to connect, and I have my testing Stripe account right there. Yours is, of course, going to be your real one. Then we click login there, and let me do my two-factor authentication. So there we go. Now that I have completed my two-factor authentication, we are taken back on here into Memberstack, and Stripe is connected. Let's go back over here again to paid, click create price, and just call it paid monthly. Then here, recurring, let's just say $1 every month. And you could change the currency into a whole bunch of different currencies. You could change the frequency into weeks and months. And then you also have some additional options for setup fees, if there's any trial, anything like that. Let's just leave this as is and hit create price. So just to note, when you do create a price, this price in the future cannot be edited. You cannot change the pricing. You will need to make a new price. That is definitely important to know. Click create price, and there we go. Again, the steps are basically the same. Here we have over here, we have price update and we have price add. Let's select add and just copy this ID right here. Then let's head back over into our Webflow site. Let's go ahead and add the price to this button. There we are. Paid, add, price, enter, save. Then let's go to modals and do sign up again. Let's now hit publish on that and see what we are left with. If all worked as it should, we should click this, then a modal should come up, and then we should be prompted to pay with Stripe. Just to verify that everything is worked, just as we did previously, we set up another success page for paid users here. And the slug is success-paid. Right here, let's just select this paid plan, do redirects on purchase, and then do success-paid. Just that way we don't need to come back to Memberstack to check if it has worked. There we go. Now we have this, and let's just go ahead and open our site. All right, so now let's hit paid sign. Create an account. Again, enter in some random stuff and sign up. And now this should take us to Stripe. Loading, Stripe, beautiful. Let's do it just like that. 424s, Stripe test card, and all good. Subscribe. Now we should be taken to success paid. And I wrote a nice little header in there just to indicate that you are on the paid plan. Woo. Now, in the next video, we will talk about gating content, because this page, let's say it was very important that no one who does not have the paying plan can access it. So let's talk about that next.